In the previous episode, we talked about sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, and also male reproductive system. Let us continue our lesson with female reproductive system today. What is female reproductive system? Let us find out. Let us look at the functions of the different parts of the female reproductive system. These are the organs of the female reproductive system. This is the ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, cervix, and vagina. Ovary resembles a spherical pouch located at the lower part of the abdomen. The function of the ovary is to produce ova or eggs and produces female sex hormones such as estrogen and progesterone. Fallopian tube is a funnel-shaped tube that has cilia and muscular wall that contract rhythmically to produce rippling movements. Fallopian tube is the fertilization site of male and female gametes. When a mature egg is released from the ovary, it will be carried by the cilia with its rippling movements along the fallopian tube towards the uterus. Uterus is a pear-shaped structure that has thick and strong walls of muscles, rich in blood vessels. Uterus is a site where the zygote is implanted and the fetus develops and grows during pregnancy. Cervix is a thick and strong muscles, narrow and short opening from the uterus to the vagina. It widens during childbirth for the baby to come out of the mother's uterus. The muscular tube that opens from the cervix to the outside of the female's body is known as the vulva. The wall of the vagina secretes mucus and functions as lubricant, as well as protection against bacterial infections. It is a place through which the baby is born and a place where the sperms are transferred during copulation.